Hey, welcome back to Inami Kitchen. So today I'm doing a seafood boil. Yes, a seafood boil in Nessa style. Now this is one of the easiest dish to prepare. It is a one pot meal. This means that all of your ingredients go into one pot. Here I'm going through the pre-prep stage where I cut out my garlic, my corn, my potato, my ground seasoning. And guys, if you want to see how I accomplish this dish, stay tuned for the video. In my kitchen, welcome to Nessa kitchen. In my kitchen, welcome to Nessa kitchen. In my kitchen, welcome to Nessa kitchen. Nessa's world. Okay guys, so now I'm just going to put on a pot of water. I'm going to add some salt to it, and then I'm just going to add the Irish potato and the corn. And the reason why I'm doing this is because the Irish and the shrimp have a different cooking time, and the shrimp take a lesser time to cook than the Irish and the corn. So I'm just going to pre-cook this first. So here I will be, cleaning up the shrimp and the lobster. So here I have all the seasoning, which include your scallion, your garlic, your sweet pepper, your thyme, your onion, your pepper, and I have some franks to add with it. And I'm going to add some all-purpose seasoning, some fish seasoning, oregano, basil, black pepper, and salt to the shrimp. And I'm also just going to pour everything in this bowl and mix it up and give it that spice that it needs, because it's a one pot meal, so you don't no need to separate and season anything. Just throw everything into the bowl. And I'm also going to use some cayenne pepper because I want that spice, extra spice. Guys, there's no need to be stingy with the seasoning, so you can add additional seasoning and spice to this. And don't forget to give it that good stir so that everything get the seasoning. And then I'm now going to cut off some butter and put it into the baking tray. And you don't need to grease the pan because it's going to have a lot of moisture and all those stuff, so there's nothing going to stick to the pan. So I'm just going to go ahead and put everything into this baking dish, and in no particular order, just pour it in there because it's all going into the oven one time. Could we just pause for a minute and just look at this plate? Like, look at that dish. I feel like I just want to eat it right now, but I'm now going to add a little bit more spice. As I said, you don't need to be mean. Yes, don't need to be mean. So here I'm going to put some lime wedges in the plate, and you can use lemon, you can use orange, you can use whatever you have. I only have lime, unfortunately, but yeah, I have to take some pictures of this one. Yeah, let's just look at that, guys. Yeah. Anyway, I'm just gonna go ahead and wrap this in foil paper, cover it with foil paper, and then place it in the oven. Alright, so guys, now I'm going in there and going to stir everything so that the top can go to the bottom and the bottom can go to the top, so that everything, you know, absorb all of that juice that is in the bottom of the plate. And this doesn't need like, this only need like 15 minutes in the oven. And yeah, as I said, it's a very quick dish, you know, something you can do for your family, for yourself. You know, it's a very quick one dish meal, so you don't have to do no one bag of washing a plate, because I know some don't know wash plate, yeah, especially pots and pans, yeah. But look at that, guys. Look at that. Okay, guys, we're all done. But look at that. Ooh, as always, guys, I'm going to prepare a mukbang for you so you can watch me enjoy this. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You know, hit that notification bell so whenever I release a new video, you will be the first to know. But let me bring you close up to this. Look at all that juiciness in this dish. Ooh. Bye, guys.